I hear you all the time in the corners of my mind, from the speckled foam relaxing on the rocks upon the shore. And I wait for you to show another hint, another glow of salty refugees and enemies, and then I'll take you home. My love never waxes, never wanes. It is vast and it is plain. My love plays with the moon and with the tides. She is fierce and she's a why was I put here on the green instead of blue, where the coastline most aligns with all the seasons and their due, where the sycamores they sway and their branches hum a tune. I was put here for to love, for to love, for to love you.